Hey guys, welcome back to the ibex channel. Today we're going to be talking about our Pro R Economy Turbo Kit. Now when I say economy, it has everything you need, but we actually have a really good price on it. $59.99, turnkey, clutch, tuner, turbo, piping, everything installed, ready to go. We put it on Nick Leonard's car out at Glamis. We just barely got back, so I have some good footage of that. We did 0 to 60 times, we did 300-foot times, and then we did wheel speed up Olds before and after the turbo, so you can see what it actually did. I even have the draggy pics, which I'll post up there so you can see the draggy times, all that good stuff. So we're very happy with how the kit is performing. It's been awesome. I also have some racing up Oldsmobile Hill against a competitor's car on E85. We have racing back at home on a 4-seat Pro R with Travis's 4-seat Pro R. That was a E85 supercharged car at about 14 pounds of boost. So again, we are super excited with how this turbo kit's running. The install on it's great. It's not hard at all. We did it in the back of my trailer in Oklahoma, or in Glamis. Well, I shouldn't say we rented it in the back of my trailer in Glamis. So it's working great, but hopefully you guys like what we were able to record. If you have any questions, you can either hit us up here, just call the shop, DM on Facebook, whatever is easier, and we'll do whatever we can to answer these questions. But you can actually go online right now and get that turbo kit ordered. So go check it out, ibex.com. It's the economy kit for the Pro R.
All right, we will start right here. Have the speedometer here, the speedometer here. Let's see how fast she goes, guys. What are these quads doing? All right, we're about to run up bone stock Pro R, clutch kit, and exhaust. That's it. See how fast she can go up Oldsmobile Hill. Let's get it.
What you got?
Yeah, there's nothing to be proud of right there, boys.
What'd you see?
What do you guys think it did?
Well,
49 was my guess.
Yeah.
Okay, it did 48.
48! I didn't go over though.
No, you didn't go over.
I didn't go over.
You
so
broke. We all broke out.
Yeah, but you went under. Okay,
Yeah.
I guess it's Price is Right.
Yeah, Price is Right rules.
Come on.
That
You
was-
won that
What
one.
do I win?
You win me a new turbo kit from
Yes!
That is a pretty good prize.
How about some Buc-ee's in there? I see a Buc-ee's.
Yeah, this is just a cup. Anyway, that was sad, boys.
It didn't sound
Sad.
well,
Pathetic.
I tell you what.
What?
Now go. Let's see it 0 to 60.
I'm not even sure it's gonna do 60. I mean,
It'll
it'll do
hit
60, but
60.
oh
Come
boy,
on now. You might have to start on top of the hill and run down. But, it'll work.
dude. Okay, yeah, I've had some fast cars out here. This wasn't one of them. We need a turbo, Trevor. Stat, buddy.
I know where one is. I think we got it covered.
It's just right over that dune over there.
Yeah,
Pretty much
it's not
on
very
top of
far.
that dune. So,
All right, get that draggy. Let's go.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, time for the onboard 0 to 60 and 300 foot. Got the draggy. We'll see how slow this thing is. She's in race mode. Everything's ready to go.
well, either he hit 60 or he was done. One of the two.
I couldn't tell.
Something happened.
I couldn't tell.
He was moving. Yeah. Accurate data, because that's kind of downhill going that way. So
watch, both of these are going to read invalid. It doesn't matter. We're still getting the times. It's not like we're going for records.
Oh, I am all the way in. He's a long ways away, boys.
I heard him say he needs more power.
Yep.
I'm feeling like a dork out here, guys.
Oh, that looked great.
Slower than heck. Okay. First 0 to 60. 7.75 seconds.
Well, at least he hit 60. You did it.
Yeah.
And the second 0 to 60, which I think I was going against the wind and slightly uphill. 9.32 seconds.
Oh my God!
How is that possible?
Wow.
Okay, so these are a little more consistent. The first 300 foot, 6.0. The second 300 foot, 6.28.
Okay.
That was pretty close.
So we got 2/10 difference there, which makes sense. It's all over the place
Yeah.
in terms of elevation and whatnot. But that's the data. Time to see how much faster we can go.
All right, let's go do some riding.
Please.
I'm ready. All right, guys, we are out at Oldsmobile Hill now that we got the kit on, the economy kit. And we're gonna do the same testing that we've already done just now with the turbo kit. So, yep. So Nick just made a hit up the hill. Let's see what his wheel speed was.
I thought you were supposed to just hold it right to the floor.
It's okay, straight up, it's worse than what it was. There must be a lot of traffic. But it was like 61 to 63. So I'm going to average that at about 62.
Wow.
Which is crazy. That's a 14-mile-an-hour gain.
Yeah, up this
uphill.
hill. That's nasty.
That's, wow. Okay.
I knew it was going to be good, so.
I did know that. I think it's going to shine big time in the 0 to 60.
Yep.
I think we did going this way like 7.0 or something, and that way like 9 seconds. It was brutal.
No reference below right now.
Yeah, I'll have the numbers below with the draggy data too.
Yep.
So we got the draggy. I'll load that up.
Okay.
Big snits, same spot. We'll see.
You were out. Wow, on the brakes way earlier. That's
Yeah.
for sure.
Way earlier.
That means something.
Yeah.
This buggy is out here just having a
He's just ripping.
It feels like a fast car now. It didn't feel like a fast car before. It was actually kind of brutal.
Yep.
All right.
Definitely different.
So here, all right, first 0 to 60 going north 5.04. Holy crap, that's fast.
So basically 2 seconds.
2 seconds faster in the north direction. This guy's going nuts over here. And in the south,
He's nuts.
and then in the south direction we had 522, which is like
Which,
what?
I thought you had like a 9-second
Dude,
turn.
it was bad. It was bad.
Numbers for sure, but it was, yeah.
And then the 300 foots, I think, were 6.0 going this way and 6.28 going this way. This time, going south, we ran a 5.30, and going north, we ran a 5.22.
Wow.
So we're talking like mini tenths on the 300 foot, and then 0 to 60, it just feels fast now.
Yeah.
Like it just feels like a fast car.
It looks and feels like a fast car, yeah, for sure.
Trevor, I'm back, baby. You guys did something out here. actually incredible. This is a pump gas tune. It's unbelievable.
Right.
I'm waiting for it to not be a pump gas tune. Like, I need ethanol now, Daddy. Like, let's go.
Let's do it.
There's a whole nother kit for that.
Yeah,
On
this
top of what we have here.
And this is just the economy kit. $59.99 as it sits on my car right now.
Under $6,000 for
everything.
210.
Does that not include anything, Trevor? Is there something missing there?
Absolutely not. Turnkey. Turnkey.
Well, insulation.
I mean, yeah, you got to install it, but it ain't that hard.
Right. They did it in a trailer.
If you can replace your belt and put clutch weights in, you can do this kit. Wow, I bet you. I'm gonna rip up Bill's.
Go get it.
All right, that's Nick without the whips, and there's his twin with the whips. Both have turbo kits. Obviously, Nick's is ours. I don't know what the other one is, so they're gonna see if they want to have a play date. All right, so Nick's pulling up. It looks like their mom said they can have a play date. So let's see what they're gonna do. Now remember, Nick is the one without the whips. I don't know. They both went different directions. They went different directions. I don't know how to rate that one.
Leo's going on one of the whips. No, Leo does not have.
Leo does not have the
He
whips.
left his whips.
All right, take two. See what they do this time. Nick definitely spooled him. All right, guys, there you have it. There's all of the data. So again, that is our Pro R Economy Turbo Kit, $5,999, ready to go turnkey kit. So go to ibex.com, get yourself one ordered if you want one. We are going to be having quite a bit more installed over the next few days. We've sold quite a few of them already. They've been performing great. So again, make sure you DM us. If you have any questions, you can comment here. We'll make sure we comment back. But if you have anything you need, any information you want, don't hesitate to ask, and we'll make sure we take care of you. Thank you guys for watching.